And you're doing just the right time.
Did you get it on?
Yep.
Show everybody how, like, right on the itchy scratched.
Mary moved to West Virginia after the shock wore off. Got a divorce and a chest.
He likes to run too. He likes to show off.
He does show off his fancy runs, doesn't he?
Sometimes she
Hey, don't step on grass, she says.
Did she? Watch out for Tootie, she's a wild one.
I know.
Oh, Tootie.